Welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. We're here again today at the St. Louis production facilities to talk to you about a couple of really popular items out of our electrical products group, the light fixture carts model LFC. The whole object behind these carts is to increase the efficiency of your workforce. When installing light fixtures, we are preventing the unpackaging, gathering of the waste, the packaging materials and so forth by accomplishing that before these get on the job site. These do come in 4 different models to allow for a different quantity of light fixtures that can be pulled out right onto the installation floor. The LFC are designed to fit through a standard 80-inch tall door. The custom lasered logo for branding or to prevent theft. We're going to take a look here at the LFC unit that has the capability to store 24 of these 2x2 LED light fixtures. We've got a center tree here that will double the capacity, or when we're removed, will allow you to store the standard 4-foot, 2-foot wide fixtures. Each of the 2 columns are held in place with the locking bars here. The edges are protected with a vinyl covering here. And as always, we offer a locking mechanism to hold it still to prevent any unwanted movement during storage. Various options can be outfitted to the cart, such as the paint color, powder coat finish here for you today. We can attach different bars, project paperwork, panels, and so forth. Move over here with me to the unit that will hold 12 of the 4-foot LED fixtures. This particular model includes the felt finish, which to store the fixture on to prevent damage to the fixture itself during transport or in removing or inserting it in. And then of course it's held in place with the bar here. On your multi-floor job sites, you may have to crane these to the upper levels. BHS has equipped each of the light fixture carts with 4 lifting eyes. Between the time that you've loaded the fixture carts at the warehouse and they arrive at the job site for the electricians to start the installation, you may wish to add a padlock here to the bottom of the retainer bars. The object of the LFC light fixture carts for BHS is to increase your efficiency. Less time spent out on the floor cleaning up the waste and so forth. Get the job done in an efficient manner. Do you need the flexibility of adjustable shelving to fit all types of light fixtures? Request more information on our adjustable light fixture cart, now available from BHS. Get hold of your sales rep at BHS, fill out the non-standard worksheet, or get on the Optima app, send in your request, and we'll get you taken care of. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for watching this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.